Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide following and follower list on Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram account. Now I'm opening it. Click on the profile icon. Look at the right corner, tap on three line, settings and privacy. Scroll down, tap on account privacy, and now turn on to private account. Okay, now I'm checking this. So first time log out my account. First time log out my account and log in another account. Tap on search bar and finding my ID. This is my ID, and when click on following and follower, they're not showing follow and follower list because this account is private. That's how we can easily hide following and follower list. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial review channel for more video.